Okay.
Just leave it another.
All right. All right.
Floor 6.
All right.
You can tell me later, but I don't know who that was.
She's like vocal teacher.
Try not to get in your face. Sorry.
She's like
Floor 36.
Wow.
did they say Thursday? No.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is 36.
Floor 43.
Okay. I can't believe I'm here. Anyways, these are the elevators at the Marriott Marquis in New York City. Looks like we're going to be taking an innie this time. Yeah, these were originally Miconic. Well, these had the Miconic 10 system, but now they have the PortOS system. Never thought that I would come here. All right. Door closes, but all right, let's get a cab view of this elevator. Pretty nice, honestly. Yeah. There's the, yeah. Fixtures, floor indicator, buttons are supposedly in here. And there's the floor detonator, and here's an interesting screen panel right here. Only gonna take one ride on these. All right, here we are, 1. And that is it.